everyone, this is Ritu Dudhoria and I'm here to talk to you about India's largest scholarship test for the CAT examination, Unacademy Combat, which is now a weekly scholarship test, and the next Unacademy Combat goes live on 28th February, this Sunday at 12 p.m. Now, why do you need to register? Why do you need to register for Unacademy Combat? Why do you need to take the test? Apart from the fact that it is India's largest scholarship test for CAT, apart from the fact that you get to compete with the best, super fast, fun, all India live leaderboard, apart from the fact that you get to learn so much through detailed video solutions, you get to identify and improve your weak areas, you get to identify your strengths. Apart from all of these amazing benefits, guys, I'm sure something that's grabbing your attention is this. You get to win scholarship of up to 28 lakh rupees. All you have to do is download the Unacademy Learning app, use the code Ritu MBA. That's right, Ritu, my name, MBA is our goal. Use the code Ritu MBA. What are you waiting for? Now, let's talk a little bit about this scholarship, shall we? So guys, rank 1 to 3, you win complimentary Unacademy Plus subscription. Plus subscription for the tenure of your choice, be it 6 months, 12 months, 24 months. Rank 4 to 10, you get 75% off your Unacademy Plus subscription. Rank 11 to 50, you win 50% off, half. 50% off your Unacademy Plus subscription. 51 to 200, you get a chance to win a scholarship, 25% off your Unacademy Plus subscription. What are you waiting for? All you have to do is enroll for free. Register now, 28th February, mark the date, 12 p.m. Unacademy Combat. And the only thing that is standing in your way of winning these amazing scholarships is just that you have to download the Unacademy Learning app, apply the code Ritu MBA. Ritu MBA, enroll, give the combat, win these prizes. So guys, see you on the leaderboard on 28th February. Let's crack it. Take care, everyone.